right, it is Monday here at the 256 Garage. Alan is buffing away on the old Honda Odyssey. Don't know if he's a shining it or it's a shining him. That's one thing we got going on here. Like I said, this is Monday day. Well, we painted the bumper, the hood, fender. Yeah.
Actually, we just painted.
Blended on the fender.
I fixed the fender here and I fixed the hood right here, and so we painted, just this corner and blended on the rest.
So we got that coming along. He about got it buffed out. We'll be ready to throw the headlights and bumper cover on. Let's go over here and check out what Junior and Drake's into. What y'all into hiding over here?
Well, obviously making a mess.
Yep.
We got the engine bay painted on the Mustang.
Engine
We
bay
got
paint?
fender jams painted on the Mustang. So you know what's next?
Getting the motor ready to go in.
Yep.
Let's go over here and look at them fender jams right quick. Check that out. We'll go over here and look at that right quick. Oh yeah, look at that pretty blue. Wish we had that untaped so we could see it against that new fresh black. Anyway, we got the inside painted, this painted, getting the motor ready to set in. Hopefully, this old car that's become part of the family will find a new family pretty soon. Hey, we got this little 17 GT5 over in here. Drake's been putting a bumper cover on. If y'all remember seeing the bumper cover painted, what was that, on Saturday's video? GT500 style bumper cover.
Of course, had to slot some holes on the fiberglass. So.
But she looks good. She looks good. And then, Alan's up here. Got the old bumper cover and everything back on the little Honda van. He's shining on her still. Shining the rest of it.
Had something all over it, like sap.
Cleaning the sap and stuff off. But you can see her now. Got the bumper cover and everything on it. What's he got over in the paint booth? Ain't he something in the paint booth?
Yeah, he's got the front bumper off a Rogue and the rear body piece off of a Toyota. RAV4.
Oh, guess what? It's out here in the sunshine too. Up, still taped up. Oh, can't show it off. There's a couple bumper covers over here. Junior painted on. Got him in the dark. Right there in the corner. One. Turned out nice and slick. And it is Tuesday here at the shop. We're gonna finish up that Mustang and Alan's gonna finish polishing on that Honda van. See what else we can get into. Thursday here at the 256 Garage. Alan's washing and cleaning on the Nissan. Inspector come by. Getting it shined up, ready to list, ready to sell. Look at that little nugget. And look at that wash job, even washing under the hood. That's quality, ain't it, Alan? Let's go check out the rest. Devil's in the detail. Junior's over here, thinks he's cleaning a window. I just can't figure that one out yet. The windows are up here, Junior. Getting this one back together, ready to go, ain't you? That's what painted that corner of the bumper cover, did you? Yeah. Painted, going back on. Just about got it knocked out. Drake's over here doing a little body work on the Cutlass. Look at that. You see he's using that safety first. Got his saving his breathing apparatus on. Spreading that filler. Trying to do better. Trying to make it till he's 35.
Yeah.
That's what's going on today, Thursday.
I get a little video for Jason here. I put epoxy primer on it, one coat. Let it sit 45 minutes. Now I'm going on with the regular 2K primer. That's the first working of mud and the first reprime after stripping the car. It's looking real good. Of course, it can be real bad and look real good in primer, but anyhow. It's gonna get there one day, maybe. Alright, this is Friday evening, 256 garage. It's just me and Daddy. He's out yonder working on one. But, the silver Sonata, it's in the paint booth. Junior painted it yesterday evening. This is just the parts car. We need to get it back out. This is the little Toyota Camry. Hit a deer, waiting on the insurance company. Went ahead and pulled in here, put it up on frame machine because it will need a little pulling. And then plus, frame machine lifts up and it makes it the perfect height to work on front end stuff. I got the Cutlass primed today. So the first round of body work on the quarter, the fender, and this door on this side. Like I said, got it primed. It should just be block and prime one more time just to be sure, and it should be done. It was real nice, and I believe it turned out real nice. Like that fender, the only place I did any mud work was a little spot right there. But it's gonna make a nice car. Let's see. The Toyota and the Nissan Rogue, they delivered today, got them done. He still ain't come picked up the Mustang, put the front bumper on, but I told him I was gonna take it drag racing tonight, so that's what we got with that. Went ahead and bought a new set of, or not a brand new, but better hood hinges for the 68 Mustang. Sandblasted them today. I'm gonna put the air springs on it. These springs are a little rougher. But got them sandblasted and painted. Got the little shock, we'll call it, goes on top of the shock tower and the shock bolts to it. I went ahead and sandblasted them, painted them a little bit different color than under the hood. Got it out. Daddy done some washing and cleaning. We're gonna paint the power steering stuff and down in there a little better. That's where we're at on that. Let's see. I think he got the Cutlass finished up. Now I'm gonna try to get this over there to the other side, maybe one day next week, and do some piddling on it. I thought it'd be nice over here on this side to come over here and work when I can, but I don't know. I just don't like, I guess because all my stuff's over in the other shop, I just don't like working on this side. So that side's pretty much just a good storage side. Let's see if we can get a little, there's the Sonata he got painted. Had a little damage on the uniside, Junior repaired. It looks good. Let's see, what else we got? Something else. Did we deliver something else this week? Well, we got the Cutlass ready to deliver, but he said it's going to be the first week before you come get it. Tried to deliver that, it's going to be the first week before they come get it. Van's waiting on paperwork. Delivered that white Maxima. Well, we sold the white Maxima.
Yeah. I guess that's it.
In the van, they say they want it once paperwork's get done, don't they?
Yeah. There's some of the job I did.
I was thinking there's something else too, but I studied pretty hard on that Cutlass this week, so I don't remember much.
Oh.
But anyhow, that's where we're at.
Either way.
Yeah. Uncle Roger, I ain't even talk about that, but Uncle Roger's supposed to be finding his tools and coming and micing our little motor for the 68. We're a little on the worried side. It's done been 30 over, and it seems like it might be a lot of wear between the piston and the wall, so gonna get him to mic it and see where we're at on that. Like I said, we ain't feeling too good about it, but that's why we want Uncle Roger to come do it, a machinist we can trust. I tell you, we've took some what seemed like really good motors to machine shop just to have well, like one was just cam bearings, wasn't it? We was just gonna put cam bearings.
Running and driving good.
Wasn't smoking, didn't sound bad.
Didn't have enough oil pressure under after it heated.
And when we took it apart, the cam bearings just fell out in my hands. But we took it, and that block was junk. It wasn't worth fixing. It'd be a noisy little motor, and so we just ain't wanting to run it to a machine shop because we know it'll be something. Probably a piece of junk motor. Of course, in this one's case, it did smoke like Darkill when it run. It wasn't noisy, but it
had good oil pressure.
Yeah, it had good oil pressure, and it smoked like Darkill though. And so, anyhow, that's the end of the week here at 256 Garage. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Hats, shirts, hoodies, stickers. You want it, we got it. Thanks for watching.
Check out the merch. Check out the merch. Everybody needs some merch.
Yeah.
The hats are nice. They're the Richardson
112.
112. Man, they're nice. They are very nice hats. $20 a piece on the hat.
I guess it's 20 on the shirts too, ain't it?
I don't really know.
I
I
can't.
just remember he priced the hat to Philip III earlier. That's the reason I knew that.
Yeah.
We need to get some more made.
Yeah.
We're getting low. So you better get them.